Ever found yourself in the grip of a craving for warm, gooey, homemade cinnamon rolls? Well, you're about to discover the secret to creating these delightful pastries right in your own kitchen. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and of course, yeast for the dough. For the filling, you can't go wrong with a classic mix of brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter. Lastly, for the icing, a simple blend of powdered sugar, cream cheese, butter, and vanilla extract will do the trick. Next, it's time to make the dough. Dissolve the yeast in warm water and set it aside. Mix together your flour and sugar, then cut in the butter until you get a crumbly texture. Stir in the yeast and eggs, and knead until you have a smooth, elastic dough. Now, let the dough rise. Cover it and place it in a warm, draft-free spot. Give it about an hour or until it doubles in size. This is the perfect time to prepare the filling. Simply mix together the brown sugar, cinnamon, and softened butter until it's well combined. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and roll it out into a rectangle. Spread your filling evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Roll it up tightly, starting from one of the long sides, and then slice it into rolls. Arrange the rolls in a greased baking dish and let them rise again for about half an hour. Then, bake them in a preheated oven until they're golden brown and irresistibly fragrant. While the rolls are cooling, whip up the icing. Mix together your powdered sugar, cream cheese, butter, and vanilla extract until it's smooth and creamy. Spread this icing over the rolls while they're still warm, letting it melt into every nook and cranny. To summarize, making perfect cinnamon rolls at home involves preparing your dough, letting it rise, preparing your filling, rolling and slicing the dough, letting it rise again, baking, and finally, icing. The key is patience. Allowing the dough to rise properly will result in fluffy, soft rolls. So the next time you're struck with a craving for cinnamon rolls, remember these steps and tips. With a little time and effort, you'll be able to create bakery-quality cinnamon rolls right in your own kitchen. Enjoy the process, and even more importantly, enjoy the results.